Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel The Terrace Kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of chicken and white gravy or white chicken korma. It tastes so amazing and just like what we get in restaurants. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
So let's get started. So here I have 3/4 cup cashew nuts. So this measure is before I soak these cashews. So you need to soak the cashews for 1 hour at least. Now grind these cashew nuts into smooth paste. I added a little water while making the paste. You can also do that. By the way, this chicken tastes amazing. Okay, moving on. So here I've taken half kg chicken, preferably from the leg side. I do not like the chewy breast side pieces. Now to this add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and half cup curd. Now add juice from 2 small lemons, or you can take 1 big lemon. Some salt as per taste. Give everything a good mix. Marinate this chicken for at least 2 hours. If you can do overnight, then that's fantastic. Now heat 1/4 cup oil. So this kind of gravies, the restaurant kind of gravies, normally require a lot of fat. Now add 2 tablespoons butter, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon caraway seeds or Shahi zira, half small mace or javitri, 15 to 20 peppercorns, kali mirch and 5 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon. And here I have some green cardamom powder which I'm going to add later, so just keeping it aside. Now saute these masalas well for a few seconds and keep the flame between low to medium at this time. Now add 3 medium-sized onion paste. You just need to grind the onions in a mixer grinder without adding any water. Now cover this and cook this till the oil separates from the sides of onion. And yes, you need to stir the paste in between. Now add 4 green chillies, or as per your taste, I have made slits in the green chillies so that the flavor of green chillies goes well in the curry. Now add the marinated chicken. Now keeping the flame medium, cover this and cook until the chicken is done. You can see the oil has separated from the sides, and this is the time when we add our 1/4 teaspoon green cardamom or choti elaichi powder and the cashew nut paste which we had prepared. Give this a good mix. Now again I'm going to cover this and cook for some more time. I'm adding a little water because I want the consistency of the gravy to be semi-thick. Now at the end add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Crush the kasuri methi in your fingers and add that. Give this a good mix. Now just last 2 minutes of cooking so that the flavor of kasuri methi is incorporated well. And look at this delicious creamy chicken. Trust me, it tastes just amazing and out of this world. Serve this chicken with naan or roti or any kind of bread you like and enjoy.